guys, with Valentine's right around the corner, here are my pineapple empanadas. I made the filling in my previous video, so make sure you go and check that out. But look at these, they're beautiful. They're so delicate and delicious. You're gonna love them. Stay tuned for the recipe. Enjoy. So delicious. To a large bowl, I'm adding 4.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Into another bowl, I'm adding 4 sticks of butter and 1 of cream cheese. I'm going to blend this with my hand. You can use a mixer. I just feel that this consistency comes out better with your hand. I mean, this is how our ancestors did it, so why not? Here's the flour, and I'm going to continue to knead this dough until I have the perfect consistency. I'm going to repeat all the ingredients at the bottom of this video. If your dough is dry or it needs a little bit more moisture, you can warm up a little bit of milk and add a couple of tablespoons to it until you have this type of consistency. Now I'm going to start making the little balls for the empanadas, and you can make them any size that you want. I'm not that delicate, so my empanadas are a little bit bigger. My mom usually makes them very small, but I'm not the delicate type, so mine are pretty big. I'm now using a tortilla press, and this is how I fold my empanadas with the filling, with the empanada filling. I'm doing the rolling method, but you can use a fork. Here it is. Do not overfill. There's my empanada pineapple filling that I have a previous video of. Do not overfill because they will spill in the oven. Just enough. Maybe 1 tablespoon. Here they are. Ready for the oven. 375 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm using cinnamon sugar, and this needs to be put directly. Oh, here it is with the fork that you can also do. And here I'm trying to slow the process of the rolling method. Here they are cooked, but you do need to put this sugar on them as soon as they come out of the oven so that the sugar can stick. And that's it. Enjoy.